Hi, seniors. Well, as we finish this year, I want to thank you guys. This was a strange year. It was pretty tough. We went through some hard things together, and in that light, I hope that APES was a hard class. Um, I want to challenge you. I want to challenge you to keep stepping up and facing life's hard challenges like we have faced in this last 8 weeks and throughout the year. Um, because if you do, you'll be successful. Um, I teach at Everest because I want to help you face and be ready for really tough courses. When you uh, when you go into college next year, and please do let me know where you're going. I haven't had the chance to talk to a lot of you. And when you take your first college classes, I want AP Environmental Science to be the one that helped you the most. Um, did I make you think hard enough? Did I force you to do college level work? Did I prepare you? That's that's what I hope. And I do have a favor to ask. Next year, when you are taking a final exam or filling up, doing a major set, a science lab report, a midterm essay, send me an email and tell me if my class is too easy, too hard, or if it's just right. Because I need to know how to set you up for success. Help me compare my AP environmental science class with your college courses, especially a science class. And of course, I'd love to have you take the end of the year survey. There's a link in the email below. You've been a great group of seniors. You've been kind and helpful and full of energy, and I will miss you. I already do. God bless.